Welcome to my channel once again. If it is your first time of coming to this channel, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe for me, like the video and share. Go through the channel and find other useful content and let us grow together. If you are a returning guest, thank you. I don't take you for granted. You're the reason why I keep coming here over and over again. Now, today I am sharing with you one healthy product. Yes, healthy product, because the rate at which the society is getting sick, getting incurable diseases, getting lifestyle diseases is becoming so alarming. Must I say that we have neglected the first place of feeding our body, of avoiding some diseases, lifestyle diseases. We have not taken care of our kitchen, what we eat and what we drink. We just go to the shops and pick anything we just land our eyes on, bring it in the house, and at the end of the day, our lifestyle is affected by the things we put in our bodies. And so today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite products, adding on the rest that I've been talking about, and this is Blackstrap Molasses. Sometimes we are told not to take sugar, processed sugar, chemical sugar, and we ask ourselves, what is the alternative for some of us who have a sweet tooth? Yes, I do have a sweet tooth. I take so much, sweet things. But the sweet things that I take, I choose the healthy ones. And one of the healthy sweetener for me is this Blackstrap Molasses. Remember, it's a byproduct of sugar cane, just boiled, not processed. It is filled with lots of, unlike chemically processed refined sugar, this is rich in antioxidants. It is very rich in iron. Many people take iron tablets, and many people are getting anemic. And at the end of the day, there is so much that is happening in our lives because we don't get the right things to use. Okay, it is rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is very good for hormonal balance. And so if you are having challenges with your hormones, this is your go-to. This should be your go-to. If you're having bleeding challenges and you don't know how to replace the lost iron, the hemoglobin levels falling, this is your go-to. So if you take Blackstrap Molasses, what are some of the healing properties that this product have? Number one, this will help you with your hair growth. It will help you with your hair growth. For some people who know me, I know there's a time when my hairline had really gone like deep and the hair had thinned so much. And while I was inquiring from nutritionists and other experts, I was given this. I think I'm not complaining. It's not yet as good as it should be, but it is getting better and better. So this will help you with healthy hair. Number two, for people who are having arthritis, because of its richness in calcium and potassium and magnesium, it's going to help you with arthritis. So you're having joint pains, you're having pains in your fingers, your knees are finding it difficult to bend, your bones are really cracking and getting loose. This will help you to relieve you of that arthritis pain that you're suffering. Now, this, because of the calcium, also promotes healthy, strong bones. If when you're growing up with the hormonal changes and the changes in the environment and the changes in the diet that we go through every single day, we need something that promotes healthy growth for our bones. And Blackstrap Molasses will do you just that. Okay, Blackstrap Molasses will boost your brain. It boosts your brain, and your brain will grow stronger. Your memory will be recovering. And at the end of the day, you will find yourself in a better position. Is your brain getting weaker and weaker? Are you finding it difficult to remember? Are you getting tired time and time again? You need this. It's very healthy. It is. It tastes good. And I mean, why not? Why not? Why not go for something that builds your brain, that builds your hair, that builds your skin, that builds your teeth, so you don't have to be plucking out your teeth. Okay, my product number 2 is this vinegar. Now, vinegar is very good for the digestive system. It helps you with digestion. It helps you with stronger bones. It helps you balance your acid alkaline levels. And when you mix these two products in a cup of warm, lukewarm water, it can be lukewarm, it can be warm, but not hot. Lukewarm, warm. When you mix a spoon of this and a spoon of this, and you have your cup of tea, you will be activating your immune system, you will be building your cells, you will be increasing your blood, you will be relieving your arthritis levels, because this is a powerhouse for people who are looking for a good life. Thank you so much for watching. Go get yourself a Blackstrap and organic cold pressed apple cider vinegar with a mother. Have them in a cup of tea in the morning, have them before you go to sleep, and I tell you, you will come back and thank me. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you another time.